Having breakfast. Today's the 29th of August, though, isn't it, Lorraine? What do we have for breakfast here? No, that isn't what we're having for breakfast.
Well, we certainly can't have that if they're going to be.
What do we have for breakfast?
Waffles.
Waffles? Okay.
Can I go watch this after?
Can you what?
Can I go watch? Can I go watch the picture?
Probably would work, but I'm going to try this now. This is without the light. This is with, at this distance, maybe 10 feet, half the power. And this is at full power. And Fluffy's wondering what's going on. Find the Fluffies? What did you get the Fluffies, huh? Okay. Let's see, that's a regular telephoto on. And I'm going to focus on the mother. Let me see. I'm going to bring it in with the other telephoto. This is with the new telephoto. Now I'm going to back off. This is without the telephoto lens. Of course, butterscotch is in the way. And, well, I guess butterscotch would be a good one to try. I'm going to back off. Now I'm going to try it again with butterscotch, if he doesn't move. Oh, okay. With this, you can zoom in, but you have to power focus. So I power focus. Now I'm going to try it on automatic focusing with the lens on. Let's see. This is butterscotch, and it obviously does not automatic focus. Since it doesn't, I'm going to put on manual and focus and see. That's it. And okay, this is with the telephoto lens and the regular lens. Now I'm going to switch it in a moment to the telephoto lens, which now is the wide-angle lens. I don't see the difference in this part, but I will in a few moments. So concentrate on the borders and see the difference in the wide-angle lens versus the regular lens. And I'm going to switch it back to the regular lens. I am now about in the same position at the regular lens, so I should be able to look at my borders and see the difference in the pictures that I will be getting. Okay. We're back again trying shutters. I now have it on shutter. And let me put it on the other shutter on normal, see if there's a difference in light. Now there is. It's now on normal. Now I will switch to shutter.